Hey you guys, welcome back to Subway Adventures. Today we're going to try something a little different and see what they've got in here as far as food to eat today. Let's see what we've got. They don't want to open. Let's see. We got Subway Sandwiches Philippines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you and I both know that we're not going to be able to eat all 5 of these. There ain't no way in the world. But we'll give some of it a shot. What does this one say on the front of it? It says STK, I think that is. That means steak. Well, steak's always good. Let's open it up here. I have to put some of these off to the side, that way I can show you the steak. Subway Philippines is a little bit different than the one in the United States, but yeah, the concept's the same. What do we got there? Let's see what we got. That comes out like that, and it's got cucumbers and stuff in it. Wow. Let's see what we got here. And we're gonna give this a shot. Try to eat it. Big bite on the first bite. Nice pieces of steak meat in there, and fresh cucumbers, tomatoes, some sauce. Don't really know the sauce, but today is New Year's Day over here, so you might hear a pop or something like that every once in a while. Might be a firework. But yeah, it's New Year's. Those malls was open, Subways. Very good. Is that a cucumber or a pickle? A pickle. I mentioned it before. You guys know how I like my pickles. Black olive. Not really hot on black olives. You see them in the pizzas a lot, but not really crazy about them. But the rest of this is pretty good. Another big bite. Sauce is pretty good. Has a kind of a sweet kind of a taste. I used to, when I was in the United States, I used to eat $5 footlongs. And from what I understand, they don't have them anymore over there, but shows you how long I've been over here. And I used to get cold cut. It was cold cut trios, cold cut combo, something like that. Those were the best ones. I like the vegetables. That was the steak sub, and that was pretty good. And this one, I don't know what it says on it. Melt. Should we go for the melt, or should we go for the roast beef, or should we go for the roasted chicken? Well, let's see. Let's see if my daughter wants that melt one. She might not want it, but if she might, you never know. We'll just start out with this roast beef one. I think I got a couple of them, so extra one of those. What is that, wheat bread it's on? Looks like a kind of a wheat bread that it's on. A grain bread. What do we got in there? Some, is that roast beef? Looks good to me. But then again, you guys know how I like to eat. Some pieces of roast beef in it, and some vegetables, and some sauce. That is good. Have to lick the sauce off. No. Mama, what do we have? Chicken or pork today? Probably pork. I don't like beef. Just lucky to have anything, I guess. But these are great. If you're in the Philippines, I recommend going over there. Now, the ones that I've been to in the United States was very good, but I have to go quite a ways to get these. They're in a different city. The little city I'm in now, they don't have a Subway, but that's okay. They had to go do business over there anyway, so figured they'd get Subway while I was over there. So, did everybody have a good Christmas? A good, I guess it's still early over there on New Year's. You guys probably still celebrating. Here was our last night at 12 o'clock. But I guess it's a good celebration. I stayed inside last night. So look at the vegetables in there. Lots of cucumbers. Almost number 2 going down. Roast beef, pretty good. Another roast beef right there. But I think we're after this roast chicken. That way we can show you guys what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. Roasted chicken. Let's try this one. See what we've got here. Open it up. Look like your Christmas gift wrap, and that wraps well. And probably for when you travel and go home, taking them home, that they don't leak out. You don't want them to leak out of there. What's that one look like? Perfect. Perfect of vegetables, and lots of vegetables in there, and some wheat bread. Tastes like we got chicken on the bottom. I'm going to put the chicken on the bottom of the sandwich or on the top. And people making sandwiches, some put their vegetables down, their sauces, then they put their meat up on the top. And after they got the meat on the top, cheese on the top, more sauce, they have to flip it over to eat it. Cucumber. You guys smell the chicken in there? I think that's chicken breast or something. You guys smell it, I get to eat it. It's still good. It's still very festive over here because a lot of people still get out there celebrating. Because ringing in the new year. Happy 2023. That's some good chicken. You see the piece of chicken in here? Right there, hold on, we can separate the bread from it. See that chicken, see how thick it is? This is some good chicken breast or something. I don't think they put that processed chicken in here. This is real chicken. Look at that. Some of them, some places you see them grind up the chicken, make like these little patties. And those things, they just throw everything in there. Pig's feet, chicken lips, just anything and everything. But this real chicken, it's a real chicken breast. My vegetables is falling out. Cucumber. I like these cucumbers. I like raw cucumbers. And I like these pickles. And I like these green tomatoes. Little red seeds in the middle of them. But they're good. Mmm. Mm. You ever wonder who sits in and thinks up the combinations for these sandwiches about what goes on what? Should we put pickles on that? Or that would probably be a good job to have. If I had that job, we'd be eating Skittle sandwiches and all kind of stuff. And there's another roast beef. Now, 3 of them kind of fooled me up. But since I want to find out what this looks like, don't know if I'll eat it. I might just open it up, look at it, and see if my daughter wants it. She might like these melts. I don't know if it's a cheese melt or chicken melt, or look like it's got some kind of lunch meat in it. What is that? Vegetables there, and what is that? Bologna and, wow, that's like a bologna and turkey. Let's see what it tastes like anyway. Very good. Just put it back in there. She'll never know. Look at that. Wrapped up good as new. Well, that's going to do it. Don't have any coffee to drink right now. Probably have to make some, but I enjoyed sitting and eating 3 of those. Showing you what they look like here. Philippines Subway. They're probably good, I'd say good 6-inch subs anyway. So I think you eat 1 or 2 of them, you'll probably be full. Took me 3 of them, but pretty well filled me up. So thank you so much for joining me. We'll just put these over here, save them for later, and save them, see if my daughter wants some of them. And we'll check you out in the next one, and everybody have a happy 2023 from Soberry Adventures. Take care. Daughter went through it and got the vegetables off and made her a sandwich out of them. She didn't care about the vegetables, so just wanted to let you guys know. Have a good night.